Hello everyone. Let us hear from Pamidhar ma'am that how we can use Kahoot for engaging students and taking up assessments in a fun way.
Hello, hello everyone. As every one of us knows that games play a vital role in our teaching learning process, especially in maths. Games really make teaching learning process a fun, and I think this is the need of the hour now. So today I will make you aware of online game that is Kahoot. Now, what is Kahoot? Kahoot is a game-based learning platform used as educational technology in schools and other educational institutions. It is a learning games. Kahoots are user-generated multiple choice quizzes that can be accessed via a web browser or the Kahoot app. What are its features? Play, self-paced challenges anytime. When you join a challenge created by your teacher or a classmate, you can play it in the app at your own pace. In this game mode, questions and answers are displayed on the device screen. Host games live at home from your mobile device. You can launch and host games live directly from the app. Start a game, show in your living room. You can use your iPad screen, put it on a bigger screen using AirPlay and Apple TV or Chromecast. Now, what are the objectives of Kahoot? Kahoot is typically used for formative assessment to monitor each student's progress towards learning objectives, identify strengths and weaknesses, and to identify areas where the students would benefit from more one-to-one teaching, more challenging learning opportunities, or a review of fundamental knowledge. The main objectives of Kahoot is to analyze and compare the level of students' satisfaction in terms of their opinions. It provides learning through creation of educational games. Compete with friends and family using challenge. Challenge your friends and family to compete remotely for the top spot and learn something new together. You can search millions of existing games or create your own for this occasion. How it works? Create. Creating a game of Kahoot only takes minutes. You can create one from scratch. Use your question bank to mix and match questions, edit a template, or reuse existing games. For example, one of our premium Kahoots created and verified by teachers. Host live. Make distance learning awesome by hosting a live Kahoot via video or play in class by hosting on a big screen. Questions and answer alternatives are displayed on a shared screen while students answer on their devices. Assign a challenge. In student-based challenge, questions and answers are displayed on player screens and you can turn the timer off. Assign them as part of distance learning or for review and formative assessment in class. Now you can share challenges directly through any website. But how to create a Kahoot account? For that, you have to go to kahoot.com there in Google. After that, click sign up in the upper right corner of the website. Choose as a teacher or student. We have to choose by the name of teacher here. Then sign up with Google or Microsoft or sign up with email. In sign in page, enter your Microsoft credentials, ask and password. In permission requested page, select accept there and you have to tick here also what it asks you there. In your account details page, enter all required information, then select join Kahoot. What it asks you there, here you have to put the school name and then select the workplace where you are working, and then you have to write here the username required, and then tick these options here, and then you have to click here join Kahoot. In available plans page, read the different plans with its features. If you want the basic features, scroll down the page and select choose the basic version for teachers. For teachers, how to create a quiz test. For that, you have to go to kahoot.com, but you have to make sure that you have a Kahoot account. If not, then as explained earlier, you can do by that activity. Then there will be an option create. Click on that option create. To create a multiple choice quiz, click quiz. There are so many other options like jumble, discussion, survey, etc. In Kahoot quiz settings, enter the quiz name there, a description of what the quiz is about here, privacy status there in this box, and audience. You can upload your own cover image or select images from the Kahoot image library that is there. From here, you can upload the pictures from the video. YouTube. You can upload your own cover image. If you want the students to see an introductory video while they are waiting for the Kahoot to begin, add a YouTube video link in the intro video box. Then click on go and add now questions. Click go and then add the questions when the question screen pops up. After go, in Kahoot question setup, input question and answer questions where the questions have a 95 credit character limit. You can also upload questions via spreadsheets using the quiz spreadsheet template. Indicate the correct answer choice. You can have from one to all correct answers. Adjust time limits there. Here the time limit is there given. Adjust the time limits and toggle points. You can here give the points in that question on or off. Add an image or YouTube video to the question as a prompt. Questions can be recorded by dragging to the desired location. Once you are done adding all the questions, click save, click I am done. Now you can add, edit, play or share the Kahoot quiz. Ways to play, choose the perfect game mode. There are game modes there. When we play just now, we have an hands-on. At that time, we will see kahan par hai wo. After you have hit play, choose a game mode, proceed. Assign a student-based challenge for your students to play at home or in class. Questions and answers alternatives appear on students' devices. It is a perfect for distance education. Mix and match questions types quiz. Add a multiple choice question on any topic for any subject. True, false, test attention, or activate students with a simple true, false question. Images as answers. Add images as answers and engage for pre-readers and math students. Poll. Do a quick pass check or collect feedback with a poll question. No points will be awarded, but it is no, we have to subscribe for it. You have to be it for it. We have to pay. Slide give more context to questions and present additional information with slides. Students need to look up and learn. For that, you have to subscribe. We can put puzzle there and for that there is subscription. Open-ended questions are there. For that you have to pay. So teachers, we have to go to basic there, so that we can do the we can create the that Kahoot. So what are we waiting for? Let us do the hands-on activity. So thank you.